Out here this rainy, overcast morning, getting a start on some prep work for this apartment complex. It's going to be a total of 44 units that we're going to be doing a fiber extension to. The ISP's already been here and gotten a NID placed on each of the buildings. Now these apartments actually have a crawl space that we're going to utilize, and we'll pop that open here in a second. But each building has 4 units, except for that last building over there, it has 8 units in it. They're a similar floor plan to another project I did for the customer, although those didn't have a crawl space. But their mechanical rooms are lined up over top of each other, so we'll just be able to pass through there. So my plan is to mount a box beside that NID there, and we're just gonna come down and pop into the crawl space. Today's just prep work. I'm only gonna be installing the conduit. I'm not installing any of the fiber because I'm still waiting on that stuff to come in. Conduit installed and stubbed out into the crawl space. Just got to throw the covers back on the box, and this is going to leave them room to come out with a small piece of flex conduit up into the box to feed their jumpers from their multi-NID to the fiber panel that I'm going to be placing in that box. And these crawl spaces aren't too terrible in terms of size. I already took a peek in one. Oh, we got a runner. Ooh, it's a female too. Well, I'm definitely gonna wait for a colder day to come back. Hopefully any spiders won't still be hanging out. Got the box for building number 2 mounted and stubbed into the crawl space. Now time to move over to building 3 and get it knocked out. Building number 3 completed. Now time to move on to building number 4. Let's get it. Break time. All right, break time's up. Time to get back to work. I got all but 3 buildings done. I got this building left to do, the building in the middle left to do, and then the bigger building that's 8 units. I'm gonna use a larger conduit on that since it's more fibers. And the last couple that I did, I had to just put a cap on the top of the conduit. They didn't have enough boxes at Lowe's this morning, so I'm gonna have to swing by a different Lowe's or wait till they restock to come get those, and then I'll be able to slap the boxes up on the last couple. All in all, a pretty productive day. Just waiting on the fiber to come in, and then I'll come back and get the rest of it finished up. So stay tuned for part 2.